Hi, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the Wonder Mill Wonder Mix Company with another helpful hint on what to do with your slicer shredder attachment. Now, when you get your slicer shredder attachment, it comes with 3 drums that go in there. This is an additional one that you can purchase, and it's called the fine grater one. And is what we're going to do now is show you how to make almond meal. You go to the store, you pay a lot of money for almond meal. And there again, you don't know when they ground it or how long it's been on the shelf. So all it takes is raw almonds. And then we're just going to turn on our mixer with the attachment, drop them in there, and press down. And just like that, we have beautiful almond meal. It just takes a moment. And you have beautiful almond meal flour that you can use for all of your baking needs.